got quiet.
Hey, y'all. So today we've got a different type of video. Big hairy man behind me. And no, he's not my other half. He's just a really good friend of mine. So anyhow, he's an outdoorsman. He's a homesteader. And he's brought some liquid gold. Well, it was liquid a little while ago. It's like solid gold now. But this is deer tallow. Deer tallow has some great benefits with handcrafted soap. Makes an incredibly hard bar soap, supposedly. I don't know yet. And there's some great skin loving benefits to deer tallow. So we're fixing a high temperature hot process some soap, and hopefully it will make soap. So come on, y'all, let's possibly make some soap. I know that looks like there's not much in there, but with high temperature hot process soap, if you don't have plenty of headspace, you'll have soap like all over the place.
Yeah, I've watched some of your videos with it.
Hot process.
All right, you ready to rock and roll? There we go.
Oh, it's fluffy.
Hang on. Hang on.
Wait.
Hang on. Start.
My first time with hot process.
So I had the opportunity to test out the Susie mold by winstonandwalter.ca. I got to figure out how I'm going to cut this because my equipment, well, I think I can figure it out. Y'all hold on a minute. So I've got this one and this one, and these are made with deer tallow, coconut oil, and castor oil. So just a fun little project. Friend of mine who supplies me with goat milk from time to time had some deer tallow. I previously taught him how to make cold process soap because we're longtime friends. And he wanted to learn how to make hot process soap, so I took the opportunity to, he had some deer tallow saved up, so we made deer tallow soap, and I taught him how to use the hot process method and gave him a hard time in the process because that's what friends are for. So let's pull the, oh wow, the edges pull away fantastic. Look how easy that was. Come out pretty clean too. All right. So that is a fantastic mold for if you do a lot of intricate like piping soap designs and such on top. That's the mold for you. Because it's going to make you know, like 1.5 inches, 2 inches thick bar. But that's still gonna be pretty neat on top. And squares. Neat. Ended up with that. Pretty neat. So these turned out really neat. We just kind of cut them into squares because, I mean, they've got the cool little live edge on top. No smell to it. Smells like soap. There's no fragrance oil, nothing. This is just a plain Jane bar soap. It is just 65% deer tallow, 30% coconut oil, and 5% castor oil. And we hot processed it. We did a 5% super fat. And they turned out really neat. I mean, really cool bars of soap. Rustic looking, but it's supposed to be that way because it's deer tallow. So, super neat bar of soap. We're going to try it out here in a minute and see how it does. Lather test coming up. Got just a little sliver off one of the weird bars, some small bars. Let's see. A little on the creamy side, not a whole bunch of bubbles, but it lathers well. Very, very silky smooth lather too. Wow, I really like that. I'm not one for a creamy lather, but that is just silky smooth. Hey. Deer tallow soap, I'm a fan of it. My skin feels smooth, supple. It'll definitely wash the stank off every day. God bless y'all.